Alright, everyone, welcome to today's recap. I hope y'all are doing well and staying blessed. If you guys are new here, my name is Jeremiah and I'm a small cap day trader. Today is a red day, unfortunately. Yesterday I didn't upload a recap because it was a no trade day. That's not really an excuse to not upload one. However, I totally just forgot to. Kept pushing it off and I just didn't end up doing it. However, we're gonna go over today's trades. I had 3 trades. All of them were losers, and I probably shouldn't have traded at all today, considering the fact that I didn't sleep and my alarm didn't go off. So that's super annoying. I think I fixed the issue with my phone. I don't know why, or I know now why it kept doing that, but before I had no idea, and I think I fixed it. If you guys have that issue, let me know. I'll give you guys the method to fix it. But anyways, let's jump right into this recap here. My first and only, or the only stock I traded was KIDZ. This stock has a float of 430,000 shares. Really low float. It did have a news catalyst. I forget what it was. Let me check. And it was about regaining compliance with NASDAQ. Super unexciting news. Nothing uh, crazy. So I guess it's expected that. I mean, this is way uh, more well received than I would have expected just seeing the news catalyst. But obviously, it's doing, or it was well received. So we were able to trade it, or people were able to make money on it. Obviously, I didn't. But that's just the way it goes sometimes. So my first trade here was the break over this pivot. Um, and I got in under the pivot right there. It was a double top actually. So we broke above it, which was nice. And then doesn't end up working out in my favor. I said if it goes red, I'll just sell it. I tried to get out break even there, but of course it dropped 3 cents as soon as I sold, which is whatever. It's fine, no big deal. It was only 16-cent loser, not the end of the world. Next trade I took here is not a trade I usually take, but it was off of the 9 EMA, and it is definitely the backside of the move. MACD is negative. We are trending down right now, making lower lows. And so I'm not sure what I was thinking when entering here, but obviously my decision making was a little bit off considering I didn't sleep. And oh, just for context, the reason I didn't sleep is because it was super hot and I don't have a fan in this room, unfortunately. Um, I don't know why I didn't just think to get up and get one in the middle of the night, but anyways, I'll take care of that tonight. Anyways, let's just fast forward this. So it doesn't even really go up for my entry at all. Just actually just sells off there. Completely wrong with my timing. MACD was negative. No real setup there at all. I was just hoping for an early entry to a curling pattern, which we didn't get. But this could have been a perfect time to walk away. Knowing, I think I knew at this point that that trade I just took was not acceptable. No real setup. The setups I am supposed to be taking are around half dollars and whole dollars. Those are the only ones I am supposed to be taking. And when they close above those levels and we get like maybe a dip and rip, but I really have to be watching the level 2 and all that jazz. So ultimately, it does curl back up there for a second, and I just FOMO back in. This was really just FOMO and kind of frustration, considering I was in there, but maybe I had timed it wrong. But you guys will see, it doesn't even matter because it actually doesn't end up working out as I planned. And I wanted to add here and accidentally pressed the wrong button, or I don't know. So I add a little high there actually, getting in at 46 again when I could have gotten in at 43. Um, and then it starts to reject finally. Um, so not not at all smart of me to be jumping in. The thing that is that I added 10 shares to a position that originally started as um, a 5 share position trade. But anyways, that's pretty much it for today's recap. No more trades other than that. And it's a $2 red day. I'm thankful to be going in a smaller share size, so um, I can live to trade the hot market. Um, but in any case, I hope you all enjoyed. I hope you guys are staying green. And if you're not, I hope you guys are surviving this cold market. It's difficult. I think we're all struggling a little bit. But with that, I will see you all in the next one. Peace.